going to the toughest phase, let's take this opportunity to pray for the people who are suffering from corona. All of us are aware about the present pandemic situation. We all know the seriousness of the present crisis. It is said that the darkest hours of the night comes just before the dawn. We can get over this disease. Stay safe, stay happy. Let's begin our assembly with a prayer song.
Lead kindly light amid the encircling gloom. Lead me on. The night is dark and I am far from home. Lead me on. Keep though my feet tight, do not ask to see the distant scene. One step enough for me. I was not ever, thus no pride that thou shouldst lead me on. I love to choose and see my path, but now lead me on. I love the garish day in spite of yours. Pride ruled my will. Remember not past years. So long thy power have blessed me, sure it still will lead me on. O moor and fen, O crag and torrent, till night is gone, and with the morn those angel faces smile, which I have loved long since and lost a while.
Good morning. I'm Anis G of Class 10C. I welcome all of you to the today's morning assembly. Hoping everyone is fine. God has given each one of us a unique talent. It's up to us to use this talent to our highest potential. Guys, the truth is that there is no shortcut for hard work and success. There is no easy way out. Now, let's hear from Harshankar about the importance of hard work and success.
Today, I am standing before you to say a few words on the topic hard work and success. Everyone wants to become successful overnight. But is that really possible? Not really, because there is no shortcut to success. You have to go through the hurdles, not around it, and hard work paves the way to success. It is easy to harp on hard work, but is it really that difficult to work hard because it takes our perseverance and time? Not really. Today, people are not ready to take the long and winding road to success and want to become millionaires in a day. But let's not forget the saying that Rome was not built in a day. It tells us about the value of hard work that people in the ancient times knew. Today, the dependence on technology and the environment that we live in has greatly reduced the amount of effort we put into things. Today, everything is available at a click, and this has got the generation into a habit of taking the short way out. But reality will strike us at one point or the other to teach us about the harsh lessons of life, like hard work. Today, people compare hard work versus smart work. And yes, smart work is very useful when you know how to use it, but it is not a substitute to hard work. It is very essential that you put enough working hours, to work towards your goal and be successful in life. So, dear friends, let's practice our best to become successful in life. Thank you.
Thank you, Harishankar, for your words. To get our spirit side, we welcome our guitarist, Kyadran Vinesh. Thank you, Catherine. Next to soothe our mood, we have Andrea performing a melody song. Thank you, Andrea, for the melody song that brings us all joy. The upcoming speech is going to be given by our beloved class teacher, P.B. Suresh Babu sir. Welcome, sir.
Good morning to all. We have entered the second term of this academic year. The government has announced that we can come to school from this November onwards. Online and offline classes will be conducted simultaneously. The portions covered in the online classes will be revised in the offline classes. Students, please set your goals in your life and work for it with a proper study habit and self-discipline. Please avoid the misuse of mobile phones and other electronic gadgets. Keep your health safely. Thanks to all of you.
Thank you, sir. Now we have also reached the end of today's morning assembly. So let's end our morning assembly by school anthem.